If you think about, one of the most important things for Nordson today is growth. And if you look at where's that growth going to come from, it's not all going to come from the United States. The good thing for Nordson is we're in 40 countries around the globe, and 95% of the future growth is going to come from those 40 countries that we're already established in. And I think the remarkable thing to think about is go back 50 years, and Eric and Evan had the foresight to say, let's go outside the U.S., because they understood that over time growth was going to be as much outside, or if not more, outside the U.S. than in the U.S. And some of the things that we don't think about that came about from that presence outside the U.S., if you think about the acquisitions we made early on in the adhesives business in Europe, look at the last 4 or 5 acquisitions that we've done to plug into various businesses, European companies, and our presence there has really helped facilitate our ability to acquire those companies and integrate them well. So lots of pluses come from being global, but number one is the focus on growth and being able to take advantage of that. So as I go around to our various locations around the globe, there are a few things that are common, that are critical to our success. So number one, we apply the same business model around the globe. And that really starts with the focus around the customer. We've got a customer intimate model. Our organizations around the globe consistently have passion around doing the right thing for our customer. So we rely on that overall approach to create value for our customers, so we understand what they're doing, how we can add value, and we do a good job of selling that value and get paid for it. What's a little bit different is the business operations practices, customer requirements are a little bit different in each of the regions. I think one of the key values that having been established early and building up global organizations around the globe has done is given us a better voice of customer that we roll into our global development efforts. And having folks willing to step up and say, hey, here's what we need to serve our customers in this particular country or region has helped us develop a better and more flexible global platform. Local teams have become very adept at customizing our offerings to meet those particular local requirements. And quite frankly, our whole tiering strategy has come out of feedback from our local teams around we need something a little bit different for this group of customers that we're not serving today. And if we could serve that entry-level group of customers today, they're going to be the premier customers tomorrow. And I see that sort of local voice coming back to help us develop products that make sense globally. And more importantly, these days, we're building additional local capabilities so that not only can we customize, but in some locations, we can go from soup to nuts, start with a brand new innovative design in a particular region and take it all the way through manufacture. What I'm excited about is we've got this strong set of people and capabilities around the globe. It really starts with the local organizations, the capability, the people, and the passion they have for their customers, that we can take advantage of growth no matter where it happens. When I think about the foresight that Eric and Evan had to go out early in the 60s to Europe and later in the 60s to Japan, I think about where we are today, and I think we have a good thought process and approach to take advantage of that growth wherever it is. And I think that the bottom line is, as the middle class around the world grows, as living standards grow, we want to be in all of those places to supply the Nordson value proposition and grow with our customers, both the global customers and the new local customers that ultimately arise in those locations. So I think we're very well positioned to do that.